I was Samarnath. After a quite long time, I'm making the video. So because of the subscribers and views are very less, I take a very long gap. So now I totally entirely different kind of video I am going to present. So this kind of video exclusively for stock option analysis. I think as I've searched in Hindi and English, no one making such kind of video for a daily basis. So I think in India, I am the only person making such kind of video. If at all you come across any such kind of video, please share that channel name in the comment box so everyone get benefited. Okay. So what I am going to give is usually everyone give what is the Nifty, how they perform, Bank Nifty, how it is performed, what is the resistance level, support level, how it going to be under them. Then some related news they will tell in the video. But no one talking about the stock options. So this is video exclusively I talk about only stock option analysis. So how it could be, so we will please wait, we will see now. So before to that, yeah, disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So whatever I am showing here or speaking here are for educational purpose only. So always a good trader or investor have to do their own study and analysis and have to take their own decision. So that would be wise. More importantly, whatever the data you are seeing here is not 100% perfect, because there are huge lot of data we have to compile and making this video. So there may be some error here and there, so it won't be 100% perfect, but it will be near perfect definitely, right? So with that understanding we will go further. So before that, a request, please do subscribe and like. So I'll make few videos. If I feel, if I able to see some regular increase in subscription and like, then I'll continue this video. Otherwise, I'll stop, because the same video I'll keep doing in Tamil. There it is quite good. The response is quite good, right? So with this understanding, we'll go to the video now. So in F&O securities, we will see the top two gainers and the top two losers. So in the gainer side, M6 made a 5.15% gain today, and next then Muthoot Finance 3.88% make a positive movement. So in the losing side, PFC minus 2.84 and REC Limited minus 2.64% in the negative side. So now we will see the stock price. So today, this is the end of the trading day, 20th August. So 25th August is the expiry. So just 3 trading days are left. So totally we analyzed 208 stocks, F&O stocks. So in this out of 208, the minimum premium is 1.13. So that is which stock we will see. Similarly, the maximum premium is 3.36%. Which stock that we will see. So as a whole, the average premium is 2.05%. So this is quite less because of just 3 days left for the expiry, right? Okay. So now we will see the top 10 highest premium percentage wise. So there are two things: premium percentage wise and net premium wise. So now we will see premium percentage wise, which is the highest. The top 10 list is this one. In that, BSE is the top one, 3.36% premium is there. This is the call and put option combined premium. You can say it's a straddle. So that is the one. Then next is Kainos 3.34%. So the break even is given here. The lower side, what is the break even, and upper side break even. All the 10 stocks are there, right? So if you want any detail, just pause the video and have a look. Then we will see now the net premium. So now what we saw here is premium in percentage term. Here top 10 highest premium stocks. So in that sense, OFS has a 31,350 net premium. So this is the highest one. The next is RBL Bank, 29,051. So likewise, you can see all the top 10 highest net premium stocks, right? Similarly, so these two list highest premium net premium and highest premium percentage. So these two list of stocks mostly they are favorable to the sellers because premiums are very huge. So they can easily packet, the break even will be quite wide, so they can easily packet the premium. But buyers, it has to be in the opposite side. The least premium will be optable. So what is the least premium? So first we will see percentage wise the bottom 10 stocks. So in that first one is Reliance. It has 1.13 percentage of premium only. So you can see the downside and upper side break even. The next one is Ultras Cement, that is 1.23 percentage. So if you see in this list, the highest is 1.43. So this percentage is, if you see with average two range percentage, if this will be more than in the daily candle itself. So daily it will make F&O stocks makes low to high, you can see 3 to 4 percentage. So in that sense, even in the intraday, the break even will be either side it may break. So this will be very optimal for the buyers. Similarly, the net premium wise, if you see, the Power Grid had 7,030 rupees and Ultra Cement 7,122. So again, I am saying this is the combined premium. If you see it's single leg, you can see it will be nearly half of this amount, not exactly, but nearly half of the amount, because here we given the combined leg. So combined leg in the sense it will not be equal actually. There will be here and there, depends on the spot price and the future price. So future price also given here. Okay, right. So this is optimal for the buyers. Okay. Next, largest contract value, the top 10 largest contract value. So this involves a huge amount of margin for sellers, as well as it involves huge premium amount for the buyers. So the likewise the largest contract value is Laurus Lab, which has 15,46,000 contract value, and AB Capital is 12,62,000 plus is the contract value. So in that list, if you see nearly that bottom also quite close to 11 lakhs rupees. So this is the largest contract value. Similarly, lowest contract value we will see. So this is the one. So this will be cost less premium and less margin for the option sellers also. So in that list, Vedanta has just 3,08,000 plus, and Patanjali 3,75,000 plus. So in that list, bottom one is 4,65,000 is the ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. So this is the lowest contract value stocks list. So this is the lowest contract value wise. Next is break even range, we will see. So the widest break-even range. So this will be favorable or optable by the sellers, because the break-even range is very wide. So so it is tough to break even. So that will be favorable to the sellers to pocket the premium. So in that list, the BSA has a 6.65 percentage with the spot price is 3,291. The lower side break even is 3,189, and the higher side is 3,411. So the total percentage, if you see, lowest to high is 6.75. The next one is KNS 6.71 and MCX 6.01. So this has the widest break even list. So this will be favorable to the option sellers. Right. Similarly, the narrowest break even will be favorable to the option buyers. So in that list, Yes Bank and Idea in the top. Here it shows break even percentage is 0.0. It will not be 0.0 because the stocks are in 2-digit price. So that is the reason it's showing like this. The next one is, if you see, the Reliance 2.28 percentage break even, and IDFC First Bank 2.33 percentage. So these are even in intraday, the highest and low and highest percentage base. If you see the intraday itself, there is a lot of possibilities it will break in the either side, right? Then is premium percentage distribution. If you see, out of 208 stocks, 205 stocks premium falls between 0 to 3%. The premium is less than 3%. So 205 stocks has less than 3% premium, and 3 to 5% only 3 stocks has. This is because the it's very close to the expiry. Just 3 days is left. So that is the thing. If it is the beginning of the contract, you cannot find a 0 to 3% any stocks. You can see some stocks in 3 to 5%, and most of the stock will be 5 to 7%, and 7 to 9% it will fall. What I'm saying is at the beginning of the experiment. So now we are in the end of the experiment. So that is the reason this is the price. Next is break even with. So if you see 0 to 5%, 177 stocks in 0 to 5% break even with. So there are quite huge possibilities. Yeah, it will break even happens within a day. But again, the price may come back, but in the lower side or higher side, it will break once, and maybe it falls again within the range. So that will be the, and 5 to 8% is 31%, right? The next one is backwardation. Backwardation is nothing but discount. If, for example, suppose a Nifty spot is 24,500. If you see in the future, it may be 24,600 or 650. That means the Nifty is in premium. In case the Nifty is 24,300 or 24,450, so it will be less than the spot. So in that case, we call as a discount. So the discount is, in the technical term, we call it as the backwardation. Similarly, for the stocks, out of 208 stocks, 79 stocks were in backwardation. So in the top is LIC Housing Finance, which has a minus 1.88 percentage from the spot. So if you see the spot price is 508, the future price is 498, less than spot price. Similarly, JSW still, the spot price is 1299, but the future price is 1287, less than spot price. So in percentage term, it is minus 96%. Similarly, 10 stocks is given here. Right. Suppose if you want to see some specific stocks which you like, I give the entire 208 stock list here. So you can pause the video and have a look. So here the symbols are in alphabetical order. You can see the symbols: feature price, lot size, contract value, ATM stake, ATM call price, put price, and call and put combined premium. How much? And that premium in percentage term, and in net premium, how much is the net premium. According to the premium, what is the lower side break even and upper side break even. So everything is given for every symbol. So what I do is I just scroll down by page by page. I scroll down. So whichever stock you like to see, have a pause of the video and have a look, right? So now I scroll down. So whichever the stock you like to see, just to pause the video and have a look. So complete detail is given. Okay, so I hope all the stocks you have seen. So I hope you have never seen such kind of video. Only stock option analysis, that to all the 208 stocks. So as to my knowledge, no one in Hindi, no one in English or any other language, no one is making such kind of video. So I am the first person giving this. So all these details are cost huge money, and only HNI and above they pay and get these details from the data sellers. But for retail traders, it's not affordable that cost. So even I struggled a lot to get such kind of data, but I never get. So at last I find out some solution and making this video. So usually in the normal video, like talking about Nifty or Bank Nifty or any indices or general stocks, the support, resistance, and direction. So those are very common, and it doesn't involve any recurring cost. Only the one-time investment for the maybe software for the recording, camera, and all those stuff. But this content, it cost a recurring cost actually. So I think that I bearing that recurring cost and making this video. But long term I cannot give this is free. But right now I am giving this free. Enjoy, and whatever we are utilizing in case of in the knowledge purposes, or we utilizing this video for trading purposes, at least we have to do something. So that something is nothing but giving your subscribing the channel, and giving a like, and sharing this video to others. I hope you will do that. So with this understanding, we will close this video. See you next video. Until bye bye. Thank you.